My makeup is done. Good morning, guys. It's a very early day. The apartment's really messy this morning, so we're gonna clean it up a bit. And Clint's already started cleaning.
Hey, is that Mitts?
It's Mitts, yeah.
It's really guilty.
Yeah, Clint's on cleaning, I'm on cooking this morning, and I'm gonna be making a gourmet Japanese style breakfast. So I'm gonna make some tea and heat up some breakfast for us this morning. Clint's doing the laundry.
Hello.
Hello. Thanks, babe.
Huh?
I said thanks.
You're welcome. There's like a whole list. A whole line in the
No.
laundry.
We have so much laundry. I'm gonna make this water. I've really gotten back into cooking, I'd say in the past couple of months, so I'm gonna be making full gourmet breakfast today. I really want to do one of those like Japanese trays for breakfast where there's like rice and soup and everything, and I made soup yesterday, which is this most delicious pork rib soup that I've made. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be a really healthy breakfast.
I fell asleep. I was like vaguely remember you being like, do you want some soup?
Yeah.
I was in bed and I was so tired. I really
Yeah.
wanted it.
Last night I literally made the soup and I was like so excited, and I was like, do you want to try some? And he was like, what?
I don't know. I think I went to food coma after I finished
The food?
The sweet green bowl.
Oh yeah, I've been making these imitation sweet green bowls, which look really good, by the way.
My dinner was huge. I had like a whole bag of chili chips and then the whole
Pretzels.
bag of pretzels, and then I finished up the thing you made.
Oh my god.
And I think I was too tired by that.
At least you can enjoy it today.
We're having it for breakfast.
Yeah, we are. It's really, I have a really good breakfast plan, don't worry. It's like
Oh my god, really
amazing breakfast. Oh yeah, no wait, let me make the breakfast.
Okay.
I have a plan. This is what the soup's looking like at the moment. I'm just heating it up so it can be warm. Don't look at the dishes, they need to be done.
I was planning to just leave the dish.
I'm gonna be making some English breakfast tea. First cup. I'm gonna put a bit of sugar. I literally just watched a documentary on why you should eat less sugar, but it's not gonna stop me. I'm an oat milk girly. Clint drinks regular milk. Ew.
No, it's lactose free now.
Lactose free.
Yeah, I'm trying it out. Because no, I look at the nutrients, the exact same, so I was like, may as well. I don't have to suffer
The consequences.
consequences of drinking milk.
Just drink oat milk.
Huh?
Oat milk.
Nah, it doesn't taste like that.
It does. It's so creamy.
Oh, the chocolate milk's good though. The one I found.
Oh yeah, that one's
That
good.
was so yummy.
We found this Chobani chocolate milk, and it's oat milk, but chocolate flavored. Ooh. The sugar does a lot.
I broke the lid off.
Like, don't ruin my soup, babe. It's like I broke the meat. I'm like, why? These are the ribs. They're so tender right now for Clint. I love pork ribs so much because it's just very like tender and tasty, and I'm just gonna add a bit of sesame oil to the rice. This is the spread. Breakfast is served. Nab's always like snuggling like right in the middle of my lap. You're so cute. I love you. She's so sweet. I've got pork rib soup with celery and some onion and carrot, and then I've got some sesame rice right here, kimchi, some cut up apples, and I made the same thing for Clint. Ooh, yummy. I stewed this soup for like 3 hours yesterday. If you guys want me to do a what I eat in a week, which I'm actually planning on doing, I'll show you guys how to make this soup because it's really, really healthy, really high in nutrition, and it's really tasty.
Very delicious. Ooh, got the Japanese utensils going too.
Yeah.
Oh wait, where's the little chairs?
Oh, it's over there. You can grab one.
Does kimchi expired? It's so interesting. Look, hold like this, isn't it?
We got rid of our dining table because we wanted
don't use
that
it.
chair. Yeah, and we didn't really use it that much. And anytime we have people over, people are literally like, well, not even people, like our parents are like, so where do people sit? And I'm like, they sit here, like on the floor with us. I mean, I don't know. I feel like,
It's nice.
yeah, I like it. When we get a bigger space, maybe we'll have a table. Onto the apples. Also, Mitz is making dough. She's working so hard. I went to go heat up my tea and there's a fight. Guys, is the fight gonna continue? No? Okay, that is so awkward. It's time to feed the cats. You guys are asking where Nori is, and she's perfectly fine, guys. She's so happy being here right now, aren't you? I love you. Why do you look like that? Why do you look like that? Cat feeding routine is really important. I feed my cats dry food in the morning and then they eat wet food at night. You don't want to be here? Okay. Wow. Okay. Do you guys get what I mean when I say like she has a lot of attitude? Like Nubbles. What's just as important as my cat's diet is their hydration. I need to make sure they are hydrated because cats are factually known to not drink water. Not all cats, some cats. And I know there are some of my cats who either love drinking water or have a difficult time. Mittens is one of them who has a difficult time. Nubbles, she loves water, but she only likes running water. Like fresh running water. I can't always open the tap for her. But I've recently got an Elfin Fountain, which has been such a game changer because all my cats love it. They've been drinking water very consistently. They're so hydrated now, and I'm like, I don't have to turn on the tap every 3 seconds when they want water. I used to use a normal water bowl, but I always would see dust and bacteria falling into the water, which meant I had to change it constantly. So now that I have a cleaning pump inside of my Smart Pet water fountain, it changes everything because it just keeps getting filtered out. Cleaning pumps are so important for pet water fountains. They help your kitties drink more, but they are really hard to clean. But the Elfin Fountain is a pumpless fountain. So instead of having a traditional submerged pump, it only has 2 simple components, making it super easy to clean. It has a super simple structure, so you save 85% of the cleaning time. It's easy to disassemble and reassemble when you're cleaning it. Elfin Fountain uses a new technology called the patent mag drive technology. So what it's done is position all of the electronic components on the base, so completely separate to the water tank. This means there's no chance of any electrical leakage because there's no pumps in the water, and the mag drive technology reduces the chance of pump failure even after prolonged use. Some features that I really love is that it's wireless, so it can work up to 30 days on a single charge. It's dishwasher safe, and it has indicators to tell you when it's time to change the water so your pet can have clean water. I'll have more information down below about the Elfin Fountain. You guys can check that out below. Thank you so much to Elfin Fountain. I need to do my journaling for today and write out my schedule. I like physically planning out my day. I use both Notion and a diary planner because I like having both options. So like I'll have everything in like a big calendar, and then I'll also have like my day-to-day in a book. I like to use the book format a little bit more. swapped my leaves out for daisies, if you guys can tell. It used to be like big leaves, kind of like that one over there, but it felt like a bit too much, so I just put these little daisies. This mantle gets really dusty. I don't know if I updated you guys about this, but I have a little fireplace mantle now, which I found on Facebook Marketplace. I found this entire mantelpiece for $500 on Facebook Marketplace. These are really hard to get, by the way, like new, old, they're just hard to find in general because people actually want to get for a fireplace, first of all, and second of all, people don't really do it in this kind of material anymore because it's all like marble, generally speaking, at least the ones that I can find online in Australia. This was a really good find for me, so I'm really happy that I have it. I just wanted it for like the vibes. I wanted like a cozy vibe for the apartment, and I feel like I achieved it.
Oh, what the frick?
What the heck? What the heck?
Dude, stop.
Oh my god. It's 9:55 right now, and I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, and I'm gonna keep an eye on the time because I got a Pilates class in a bit. But yeah, the kitchen is a bit messy right now. Cleaned. Wait, where are the gloves at? Given the circumstances right now, the kitchen is not looking too bad. Dishes still need to be washed, but we've got a batch going right now, so we'll probably load this into there once that's done. Otherwise, it's not too bad. It was looking pretty bad before, so this is a bit better. And then I've put basically everything away on this table, minus my apples and my tea. Got all the fruit in the fruit bowl, table's clean. That is rubbish. Okay, it's time to do some laundry. I've got like so many towels I need to wash at the moment. So I think I'm gonna do towels first. Oh, there are so many. One of our best investments in our apartment is probably this projector, which I hate to say because Clint was the one who chose this, but it's really good. It's just so nice. Like, it's just very satisfying. Do you know what I mean? Like, when you look at the screen, I just like that it's like the whole wall rather than just like the TV frame. I don't know what I'm watching right now. I'm trying to find a new anime. It's hard. I did get a new Crunchyroll subscription, so yeah, there's definitely more new animes now because it's been a while since I've watched a good anime, and I can't remember the last time There's this one anime I really like called A Whisker Away, and like it's just so, I don't know how to describe it. It's so vibes. Like, it's just a really, really good vibe. I'm gonna chill for a little bit and then I'm gonna head to the gym because I gotta work out. I love a Sunday reset. It just feels so good. And now that I'm officially a morning girly, not that I wasn't a morning girly before, but I definitely feel like I'm a confident morning girly now, if that makes sense. Like, I love the mornings. Like, I'm like, there's so much time to yourself. And who would have thought? But like, I'm telling you guys, if you're not now, like, you can be, because I wasn't one before. You just have to build the right habits and everything, and you can also be a morning girly too. Oh my god, my other good investment is probably this bookshelf now that I'm looking at it. it's just, it's so wonderful. I don't know how to describe, just like when I see it like behind the couch, I'm like this is all that I dream of in life. Anyways, sometimes I think, do I have ADHD? Because like I think of one thing and I see another thing and I just lose my next thought. Like, is that ADHD? I'm wearing my little Lululemon jumper, Lululemon top inside, and then my leggings are from Uniqlo. I have arm day today, which I'm super excited about because I normally don't do arm day, but now it's being integrated into my routine, so I have to do it. Back from the gym. That's my morning routine, everyone. It's just before lunchtime right now, so it's time for me to cook. I have a few errands and things I have to get done today as well, so I'm gonna get that done in the second half of today. But that's it for my morning routine, everyone. Mwah. Is that it for the morning routine, Mitz? She's like, Mom, why am I getting carried again? She's getting really heavy now, guys. I swear I'm feeding them the same amount of food. Like, Mitz literally just eats like there's no tomorrow. She eats like I'm never gonna feed her again. That's how she approaches eating, I swear. Why are you like that? Anyways, I love this girl. Okay, say bye now, Mitz. I'm gonna go now, guys. I got things to do. But I'll see you guys in the next video.